it's move-in day. I am pretty much all sorted. I've got my suitcases and bags. Got a few more things in here to sort, just because I'm going to do my makeup when I come back after. Then we're ready to go. We're going to an office today just to get the contract sorted and sign it and get the keys, and then just get a load of Ubers. I'm so excited. We've got a really big terrace where we can actually have a table on and have our dinners outside. Imagine
all the people.
Which is much nicer compared to this tiny little one.
Oh!
We were forever and it's fine.
This was a luxury bathroom. I must say the bathroom we're going to in the other places are much smaller and not very tall person friendly.
I could barely fit in the bath, and the amount of times my head whacked the shower head.
So I'm gonna miss that bath. I'm gonna leave this Lilo here because we're still paying for this house at the moment. Let's go. We're halfway there. We have ordered our Uber and we're waiting for it to come. I've never actually shown the reception area of the place. We've got the 2 lifts and then our post will be in there. So I have just got to the apartment. I am currently with 1 suitcase, Liv's suitcase, and a bag and some food from the fridge. Liv and Imogen are just coming and I have to try and get up these 4 flights of stairs. But we're gonna make it. 1, 2.
And this is my bedroom. At the beginning I had it as 2 beds next to each other, but then I split it so I had way more space. And I did lots of workouts in my room too. And I post loads of my workouts on Instagram, so check them out.
This is the living room, by the way. And here's my lunch, my nice healthy lunch. Nice, isn't it?
1.
Oh no, I dropped it!
What the fuck do you do?
Are we not doing it? Open it up.
She's ready to kiss you. She doesn't care about the sweet. She just wants the sweet.
I got it!
No! What the fuck?
Hi.
Hello.
Is it a video?
Yes.
Hi. No, what's doing cheese?
Beautiful. That's what I call a real life mujer.
I had some lovely food. I had a salad with mango papaya and crunchy banana.
Wow.
And we've had some wine. And now we've got some fabulously looking dessert.
Follow us in the next episode. And on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, we chilled on Sunday.